In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Google Ads account permanently in 2025. Whether you're steering your business in a new direction, cutting down on advertising expenses, or simply looking to declutter your digital footprint, closing an account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. So let's dive in and walk through each step carefully. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can easily find this by performing a quick search or by directly entering the URL into your browser. Once you're on the Google Ads page, look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find the Sign In button. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and click on it to enter your Google credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to your Google Ads homepage. This is essentially the control center where you manage your campaigns. From this page, look for the Admin tab. This is usually located in the navigation bar at the top of the page. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. The admin section is where you can access various administrative tools and settings for your account. Next, you need to access the Preferences section. Under Admin, there should be a link or a tab labeled Preferences. Go ahead and click on it. It's in this section where you can manage key settings related to your Google Ads account. Once you have access to Preferences, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Account Status option. This can usually be found under your account settings or account information. Click on Account Status. At this point, you're almost done with the process. In the account status section, you'll have the option to close your account. It's important to note that closing your Google Ads account is a significant step. All your current running campaigns and any saved data will be terminated, so be sure you've collected any necessary data or information you might want to preserve. Once you're ready, you can confirm the closure. Google might prompt you to provide feedback or confirm your decision. Follow through with those, and when everything is done, your account will be scheduled for closure. And there you go, your Google Ads account is now set to be closed permanently. Make sure you've reviewed all necessary details before proceeding through these steps, as this action cannot be undone easily. If you find yourself needing help or having second thoughts during any part of this process, Google's support resources are always just a click away. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with closing your Google Ads account.